Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about getting the most out of your memberships. Today, we're tackling how to get a new Costco card in 2025. If you're eyeing those bulk deals on everything from groceries to gadgets, a Costco membership is your golden ticket. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother with a new Costco card? In 2025, Costco has rolled out some exciting updates, like easier digital access and even more exclusive perks for members. Whether you're a first-timer or renewing, the process is straightforward and can save you a ton of money in the long run. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You'll need to be at least 18 years old and a resident of the country where you're applying. It's quick. Just a basic requirement to ensure everything's above board. Step 2. Choose your membership type. Costco offers options like the basic Gold Star for everyday shoppers, the Executive for extra rewards, or Business if you're running a company. Think about what fits your lifestyle best. Step 3. Head to the Costco website. Create an account if you don't have one, then fill out the application form. You'll need to provide details like your name, address, email, and a valid photo ID. Don't forget to review any 2025 updates, as the process might include a quick digital verification. Step 4. Pay the membership fee. As of 2025, the Gold Star fee is around $65, but prices can vary, so double-check on the site. Once paid, your application is submitted. Step 5. Wait for approval and receive your card. Most approvals are instant, and you might get a digital card right away, with a physical one mailed shortly after. If you're applying in store, just visit your local Costco with the necessary docs. A quick tip. Double-check all your information to avoid any delays, and if you're upgrading from an old card, log in to your account for a smoother transition. There you have it. You're all set to start saving big at Costco in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.